we are assembling the barn gable box. So I have all of my pieces laid out here. Go ahead, you can go to your room. Now this piece applies to just the bottom. Where are you going? And then we're going to work on each of these windows. You're just going to move that out of the way so I don't get glue on it. I thought with all of the barnyard cards that I had, it would be nice to have a little gift or treat box to go with it. So this is just a simple gable box. It's pretty small. It's 3.5 inches wide and 2 inches deep. Maybe I don't know how tall. So we're just going to fold this here on these score lines. And I've made it so that it doesn't have to, the bottom doesn't have to be glued on. So you can store it flat. Okay. Super simple. I did want to keep it easy. Now I think if I were making this for myself, I would make the base of my box white, but that's hard to take photographs of white in my light box. So for this, I did it black. Because if your box was white, you would have the white, the traditional red and white barn, you know, with the trim. So these two pieces here are the roof. Now this is like an open barn door, so you can add, if you get one of the cards, you can add the animals from the cards onto it. So you can see, super simple. You can make a bunch of these and not spend an exorbitant amount of time making little treat boxes. If you had a farm themed birthday party. And then and there it is. There is the barn Gable box. Thank you for joining me.